Hey everyone, it's Suman, your communicative English and accent trainer, and welcome to my channel, The Phenomenal English, once again. Ask your heart and tell me one thing honestly. Do you really want to speak English effortlessly and serve your purposes as well as impress everyone? I know you do. So you are at the right place then, because I'm gonna give you the stepping stone of speaking the most elegant and classy language in the world, English. So let's start with your present. If you want to talk about your life, daily routine, schedule, or habits in general, the thing that you most inevitably need to use is present tense. In this lesson, I will tell you how to use the present tense correctly. This will help you to talk about your usual life, schedule, or the things that generally occur. Without any further delay, let's start. When you talk about something that happens regularly, for example, I wake up at 6 in the morning, he takes oats in the breakfast. So you simply use the simple present or present indefinite tense. That consists of only the main or base form of the verb following the subject. Here, I use take and wake as the main verb. Simply put the main or base form of the verb after the subject and your job is done. But don't forget to put an s or es after the verb in case your subject is the third person singular. For example, it, he, she, Jack, etc. That is why in simple present tense we say I play, you play, but he plays. Similarly, I take, you take, he takes. You can even use simple present tense while talking about something that's always true generally, like sun rises in the east, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, the bank opens at 10. Even to talk about your schedule, you can use simple present tense. For example, my meeting starts at 10. I need to be home at 11. Moving on to something that is happening right now. And if you want to talk about it, you take the assistance of present continuous. And this is fairly simple, just like I'm now filming a YouTube video. In fact, you can use it to express something that always true. Just like whenever I see Lita, she is always reading book. You can even use it to talk about something that's happening temporarily. Just like he usually wakes up by 7, but today he's still sleeping. Just remember how present continuous forms. You need to use the be verb suitable to the subject and then main verb with ing. Right? I hope you know the be verbs. Be verbs are am, is, are. Right, those are the be verbs to be used in present continuous. But you must know that your be verb must align with the subject. Just like I've used that I'm now filming a YouTube video. Be verb must align with the subject. Just like if you're using I, then I am filming. If you're saying he, then he is filming. And if you're saying you, then you are filming. So that is how you can smoothly talk about your present or anything that happens or occurs generally. I hope you like this video, guys, and do comment in the comment section down below. Do encourage me by liking the video. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet, and press the bell icon until it looks like this. You can even follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is thephenomenalenglish.int. You can even follow my Facebook pages, The Phenomenal English and The Phenomenal.